Hello everyone! You remember the video I did on the Windows NT4 Resource Kit? Well, this is basically a sequel to that. This is one of the first Windows Resource Kits ever made. Although the very first one was made for Windows 3.0. The first thing we have here is a graphics viewer. This is pretty basic. I've already pretty much described what it does. Wow, look! Graphics! This next thing is a network assistant. I can't really do much with because this thing isn't connected to a network. This program is a hard drive monitor. Let's do some stuff and see what happens. Well, that was interesting. Here's another performance monitor thing. The more programs you have open, the less green bars there are. This program is called Top Desk. I was a bit confused as to what this was at first. I thought this was a multiple desktop program like in the NT4 Resource Kit. But looking at it now, I think it's designed to take advantage of a multiple monitor setup. This is a bit odd, since dual monitor displays weren't used often. This is also the only program on this kit to feature a tour. It's pretty basic, but it gives a pretty good rundown on the program and how it works. It also has very choppy animation, which is what everyone needs. So this video isn't long enough and I wasn't expecting it to be this boring, so I'm going to delete Windows. Well, nothing seems too different. Oh. So it turns out deleting Windows also deletes all the programs. Who would have guessed? Okay, let's exit. I can't even exit. This is great. Well, since I'm stuck in this Windows hell forever, I'll just end the video here. Bye.